What's up guys, it's your favorite all home guides back with another cool video for all of us. Today's video is on the top 5 best Miele vacuum cleaners. It may be challenging to identify the most cost-effective products when purchasing various goods. I narrowed down hundreds of products based on a few standards and ranked them in this video to make your decision easier. These are just some of my favorite items that I use on a regular basis. So sit back and relax while I tell you about these amazing pieces of products. Please do check the product link in the description box below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So without any delay, let's get started. Number 5. Complete Marin. You can rely on Miele to provide you with products that will not let you down. If you are looking for a vacuum cleaner that will fulfill your needs, then you should take the Complete C2 Marin into consideration. This is because the Marine model is known to be the most versatile when you are dealing with various flooring surfaces. You will find that the Marin unit comes with all the adjustments and accessories you might need. It is able to clean deep textured carpets as well as delicate hardwoods. Since the cleaner uses 1200 watts of power, it can suction up all the stubborn debris that accumulate within the house. You will fall in love with the automatic suction control feature that sets it apart from its competitors in this price range. The vacuum is able to sense how much power you need for your cleaning process. It makes the evaluation based on the surface you will clean and the dirt level. The adjustment is made accordingly. With this model, you will also be able to alter the head height and the power level with the help of a foot lever control. This model from Miele comes with 3 accessories integrated into the system. The dusting head, crevice tool and upholstery brush are helpful when you are on a cleaning spree. You can also get a telescoping wand for yourself if you want to reach high ceilings. It is the best Miele vacuum for carpet and hardwood for us. Number 4. Complete C2 Cat and Amp Dog. If you have a pet in the house, you know that it can be very difficult sometimes to get that absolutely neat and tidy room. You have to put in some extra efforts to ensure there is no waste lying around. Miele offers quite a few vacuum models which can be identified as pet cleaners. The Complete Series C2 model is a favorite among customers who want efficiency and reliability. The model comes with a foot control lever that allows you to adjust the power levels and change the brush head heights depending on your requirements. However, it does not have the automatic sensing feature, which means that all changes have to be done manually. If you have just one type of surface to clean, then you should not have a problem changing the power when you need to. The active carbon filter in the model is perfect for neutralizing pet odors while you are cleaning. There is a mini tool brush that attaches itself to the wand and is able to get rid of any stray pet hairs on the furniture. You can use this model on all kinds of surfaces. The parquet swivel floor tool allows you to use the vacuum even on hardwoods and tiles. The massive 1200 watt suction power is able to pick up all debris around the house without any problem, making it the best Miele vacuum for pet hair. Number 3. Blizzard CX1 Turbo Team. The Blizzard CX1 Turbo Team, with its 2 cleaner heads, is the perfect option for users who want to try out a bagless vacuum cleaner. Quiet and powerful, the model comes with a dust canister that is easy to empty. This vacuum cleaner is great to use on bare floors. The adjustable suction allows you to use it on different floor types. The build quality is excellent, and you can expect the model to work properly for many years to come. Made in Germany, this model is reliable. The wheels on the cleaner are soft, and they do not leave a mark on smooth flooring. Since this vacuum cleaner is easy to use, it is ideal for beginners. The turbo cleaner head works great on bare floors and low pile carpets. It is able to pick up pet hair without any problem. The Turbo Team offers you 2 cleaner heads, the Miele STB 305-3 Turbo TQ head and the Miele SBB 300-3 Parquet floor brush. The former has a stiff and bristled brush roll which can deep clean carpets and pick up stray hairs. It comes with a dial that can be used to adjust the suction depending on your requirements. The Parquet floor brush is perfect for smooth surfaces and is very gentle. It is among the best Miele vacuum for allergies. Number 2. Miele Complete C2. If you are looking for a vacuum cleaner that will make your hardwood floors shine, then you do not have to look further. This is one of the best target-specific vacuum cleaners on the market when it comes to hardwood floors. However, you should only invest in it if you have solid-surfaced floors. This is because the model does not come with an inbuilt turbo brush for carpets. The parquet swivel head is able to work with delicate materials gently. You can experiment with 6 different suction level settings by using the rotary dial on the canister. You will be able to deep clean all your floors and your furniture. This model comes with an ergonomic handle that is comfortable to hold even for long periods of time. The vacuum has the HEPA exhaust filter system, which makes it perfect for households with allergy problems. Surprisingly, this vacuum cleaner does not make a lot of noise when running, which means that nobody will feel disturbed when you are using this cleaner. The cleaner comes with a 1200 watt power capacity, but it is still lightweight and manageable. It comes with a standard brush head, which you can adjust depending on the solid surface you want to clean. The model is highly maneuverable, which means that you will be able to clean tight corners. It is undoubtedly the best Miele canister vacuum for hardwood floors. Number 1. Swing H1 Tactical. If you are looking for a vacuum cleaner that will just get the job done, then this model will work for you. It may not be able to fulfill your deep cleaning requirements, but it is very efficient in small spaces. As a stick vacuum, this model will offer you flexibility and versatility in small spaces. You can either use it as a handheld unit or choose to use the handle after telescoping it out to full length. It will be able to clean the distant corners when the handle is at full length. This vacuum cleaner does a fantastic job of cleaning solid surface floors and even low-pile carpets. The vacuum cleaner comes with the proprietary active carbon filter, which will ensure that your house is clean and safe. If you want, you can have it replaced by a HEPA filter. The bags that come with these models are rather small, and you might have to change them frequently if your household creates a lot of debris. The model comes with 1000 watt power suction, which will allow you to clean the house thoroughly. It is easy to maneuver and perfect for casual cleaning needs. Okay, that's all for today. I hope you liked the video. Please tell us which products you'd like us to review next in the comments section, and don't forget to check out the description box for all the buy links of products featured today. Thank you.